Houston area residents testing positive for the virus has been trending down, but statewide the number is still going up and broke a new record today at nearly 21%. Channel 2's Brandon Walker is live at the Kingwood Park Community Center in Kingwood now with a closer look. Brandon?
Yeah, Chris, so we're trying to get a better idea of this, and if you may recall, my colleague Robert Arnold tried to look into these numbers as well. And in a nutshell, health officials, medical leaders say that the numbers or how this data is collected is all over the place. For instance, where we are at a public testing facility, but there are testing facilities that are run by labs, and they're coming from all corners of the state. So how that data is collected, when the state receives that data, all plays a role in the positivity rate that we're seeing.
So they should be easy to answer. They're not. So
the questions, according to Dr. James McDevitt of Baylor College of Medicine, all center on how data from various testing sites are collected statewide. It's all over the place. And that, he says, is one way to explain a state positivity rate that's growing. 20.99% today, up from 20.31 yesterday.
When the book is written about what we could or should have done better in the global pandemic, I think one of the lessons learned will be that we've got fragmentation of data sources.
It's difficult for us to kind of get a handle on this thing in real time. I mean, much of the reporting that we're doing is not necessarily electronic.
But the numbers are accurate, says Dr. Brian Reed of the University of Houston College of Medicine. And even more, he says they still speak to a virus that's yet to be controlled statewide, including here at home.
I think it tells us that we still have quite a bit of community spread, meaning that COVID has not necessarily left our state or left our communities. We still have individuals that we have yet to identify that are passing this infection on to others.
Unlike state data, the trend locally shows a positivity rate on the decline. 7-day trend rate for last week at 14.6%, down from 17.6 the week prior, though perspective, medical experts stress, is important.
To reopen schools and begin to lighten up on the economy and do all the things everybody wants to do, we'd really like to be at a positivity rate of less than 5%.
And that's ideal, as local officials have stressed as well. Looking at hospitalizations, those numbers are down. And Dr. McDevitt over at the Baylor College of Medicine says that that's a look at the virus not being as stringent, or at least not as infectious as it has been. But Dr. Reed over at UH says that also speaks to younger people being infected, people who don't need to be hospitalized. So it still speaks to a virus that is alive and well here in the area. Live in Kingwood, I'm Brandon Walker, KPRC Channel 2 News.